No, I wasn't frozen. Guys, I'm seeing your chat. I was upgrading to the highest version possible in real time. You saw an instant energy upgrade happening. Ooh, I love this, Tatiana. Here's my result. I have to share this. I posted just a two-line invitation for last night's abundance trance healing, and five women instantly said yes. Two even paid more than the suggested amount. Jeanine GPT plus Jeanine were beautiful together. Yes, love it. So good. And I want you to contemplate for everybody because sometimes we have those instant results, but the results you received yesterday, yes, I supported in this, Jeanine GPT supported in this, but it was coming from work you've done before. You earned this before. And sometimes we forget this. Like we're in a coaching room where some people have like instant wild results and maybe you don't as much as they do, right? But we have to understand like what we see now, it's like the seed somebody planted before, they nurtured also, right? With the gardening, with the harvest process. That's why it's so important every day to plant seeds, to nurture, so we eventually can harvest every single day. But if we don't plant seeds, if we don't share every single day, and that doesn't have to be an Instagram post of sharing, we talked about the energy of sharing, nurturing, it's nurturing us, nurturing our soul, making sure the nectar is floating. So that then I can harvest like you yesterday, Tatiana, that I have an impulse, I post, and instantly I have sales from that. But I want everybody to see the full spectrum. And I also want you to be honest, like, okay, in those three steps, am I planting seeds every day? Am I sharing every day? Like my teacher said, ABG, always be giving. ABS, always be sharing. When you see the homeless people, when you see the wild cats, the wild horses, I don't know, whatever, inviting a friend for coffee. There's always random acts of kindness. There's always possibility to share. Share your money, share your time, share your energy, share your love, share your beauty, share your home, share conversations, wisdom, knowledge. There's a gazillion ways of sharing. Some include money and others don't. Every day, how much are you sharing? Creating a consciousness for this. Because the more you realize that you share, the more naturally, Tianxiaoning is important, we build the desire of, I've done the work, I'm ready to earn. Can you see? Like a gardener that is planting seeds every single day, he knows, the word is he knows that he can harvest. He just doesn't know when. He expects to harvest. He gets mad if he couldn't harvest. But can you see, I only can get mad that I can't harvest right now, or not today, or not as much as I desire. I wouldn't get mad if I haven't done the work before. Imagine I'm the gardener that never plants a seed or just once every year. Is that person, that gardener, getting mad that he can't harvest every day? No, he's most likely not even in the state of knowing, of like, I know I can harvest. It's more like, I hope I can harvest. Oh, let's see if this maybe works out. But there's no certainty around the outcome. I'm certain I've planted one seed and I'm 100% certain as of tomorrow I can harvest every single day. Step number one, sharing every single day. And we often only share when we're on a low point, and we forgot to share when we're in a high point when the money is coming. Very important. Next aspect, nurturing, daily nurture of what I've planted, right? I want to nurture, I want to clean, I want to water the seeds I've planted. This is a nurturing of yourself. How do you nurture yourself? We talked about it, the simple things, hair, makeup, clothes, the material you're wearing. Do not wear anything polyester. It's a fake material on a real skin. That's all I'm saying. But it goes like fake material goes in our skin. This is like is your body, is your temple. It goes directly inside. Again, we talk about it. Fake input, right? Manifestation. Fake input, fake output. Same true for food, for clothes, cosmetics, anything directly touching your body. How are you taking care of that? This is just a very visible aspect, right? The outside of the body. How do we take care of it? The inside of the body. Gym, sports, meditations, I don't know, sauna, spa, whatever that is for you. Is it a number one priority for you? I nurture myself every single day, mind, body, and soul. After this call, check your fridge, check your kitchen. How much processed food is there? It's fake food. I've learned one simple rule, and that has been true so far around the world. And we've traveled for over almost 3 years now. Been on every continent. And that is at a supermarket, you only shop in a U. So the U means when you enter, only the outer rows. That is usually fruit and vegetables, followed by meat, fish, and something, right? And then the other end of the U, the dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt. All aisles in the middle of a supermarket, you can skip. It's shit food. How much are you shopping in a U at a grocery store? And what I recommend you, two aspects is any kind of processed food you have, especially for children. Once you scan and actually learn what the ingredients are, all the things you don't understand on the back of a package, just once, teach your children. I always said, there's a first skill I'm going to teach my children, learn how to learn ingredient labels. Just do this with your child once to see the fake things that you're eating, and you will be disgusted for yourself, for self-love, for nurturing, for nectar for yourself. The other aspect is it's just coming out in the US now, is a buyer app where I'm not sure if it works in Europe, but for sure in the US, you actually can scan the barcode of the product. It tells you what's in it. And then this is my favorite part as an investment banker, always talking about it, follow the money. You actually can see who owns the corporation. Like for instance, Carefree, like the brand Carefree, right? For female hygiene products is actually owned by Duracell, a battery company. If you actually would know also what's in tampons, like how much poison that the chemistry, surprise, surprise, companies are not, by law, they do not have to post the ingredients of tampons. But when they've been tested, there's so many chemicals in it that actually make sure a woman is not fertile anymore. So many things to find out once you start scanning the ingredients. And with this buyer app, I will see if it's already available there in like Better Face. You see the company. And you actually can see if you're purchasing from a big multinational company or a family company, which I kind of recommend.